What's that you say? You like cryptocurrency, but you want it to be more confusing and feel more like gambling? Do you want to be promised unrealistic returns on coins that you lock in variable rate interest accounts that reduce your overall liquidity? And you want it all in a largely unregulated exchange with virtually no KYC or oversight in their listings? Well, buddy, do I have a service for you. I'm CryptoBo, and today I'm reviewing KuCoin, the exchange that answers the question, what would happen if Jordan Belfort lived in Hong Kong and knew blockchain words? Before we get into it, I must remind you, I'm no financial advisor. Please do your own research. I'm a humble developer and Bitcoin true believer. I'm more committed to the ethos of crypto than seeing any one product succeed. So after all this shit I'm about to talk, you still want to sign up for KuCoin, then use the link in the description and get yourself 40% off trading fees on the platform. Let's get into it. Founded in the Bitcoin summer of 2017, KuCoin has grown to one of the largest exchanges in the world, copying a lot of the things that made Binance so successful, but not the SAFU, the coolest thing about Binance. They're now registered in Seychelles, so you know they're legit, and they operate out of Singapore. And look, KuCoin is not for beginners. They offer an advanced trading view, tons of derivatives and margin options, even some zany feature called Futures Brawl, which may just be a gotcha MOBA, but I'm not sure. What caught my eye about KuCoin is the absolutely insane rates of return they offer on their earn accounts. They offer a ton of promotions that show you an annualized interest rate that is only available for a few days. For instance, Hydra was shown with a 1,300% staking interest rate available for 1 day. Does that mean you get 1,300% or 1,300% divided by 365? I don't know. It's possible KuCoin is too advanced for me. Just like the other crypto lending platforms I've been reviewing, they also engage in collateral loan rehypothecation, which puts them at greater risk of insolvency. They have a lot of backers with deep pockets, but it's hard to say what side of the market the capital is tied up in. Maybe a huge downturn in the market will liquidate a lot of positions. Or maybe they're loaning it out to people who are shorting on margin and the price going up could trigger a liquidity crisis. My point is, the centralized nature of KuCoin makes it hard to audit their books, and this lack of transparency makes it risky for you to store your crypto there. Now, I'm not totally against KuCoin. For instance, they were hacked a few years back and over $280 million was stolen off the exchange, leaving users to worry about the company's overall solvency and the security of their funds. KuCoin acted quickly, recovering $220 million from exchanges and agreements with law enforcement, and the rest was covered by the insurance policy covering the exchange. Pretty good omen overall. They've since overhauled their security, adding a more robust cold wallet storage system and security features like two-factor authentication. They do seem to care about their users, and maybe some of the insane returns can be explained as promotion rather than nefarious banker schemes, but I don't know. I don't know if I'd say I'd recommend it, but I would use it for one reason alone. It's one of the only non-KYC exchanges available basically anywhere. I signed up without even inputting my name, and I can now deposit crypto, trade it, and then take that new coin off the exchange with almost no hassle and pretty low fees. They take 0.1% in fees on every transaction with a 20% discount if you pay in their native token KCS. It's maybe the only crypto exchange where you can deposit funds with no KYC and trade them for Monero, which is pretty cool. But comes with the huge caveat that that's almost certainly illegal in most of the world. If you want to give it a try, you can sign up with the link in the description and get a further 20% discount on your trading fees. Again, maybe give it a shot. You may like it, but I would not advise keeping coins on the exchange. I see the best use case being for moderate to advanced traders who want to maintain their privacy, but for some reason don't want to use DeFi. As always, if you found this video helpful, please give the video a like and help me rank better in the YouTube algorithm. Think about subscribing if you want to see more content like this, and leave a comment with any notes or suggestions. Do you think KuCoin is a scam? Do you like that you have no KYC measures? Let me know in the comments. Anyway, I'm CryptoBo. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.